are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 2. We're on the part of the project called Interesting Statistics slide. The first task wants us to go ahead and insert a slide from outline between Y, market online, and internet only. So we have our cursor here on slide 2. We're on the Home tab, Slides group. We want to click New Slide dropdown. We'll select Slides from outline. For this, we'll select Statistics. We'll click Insert. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. So with our cursor here on this slide, what we want to do is on the Home tab in the Slides group, we want to go ahead and click the Layout dropdown here. And what we want to do is select To Content Layout. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and change the bullet color to dark red. So what we want to do is put our cursor here in this text box. We can select the text here. So we select all of our bullets when we make this change. We'll click the drop down here for bullets. We'll go ahead and click bullets and numbering. We want to select the arrow bullets here, and our color, we want dark red. So we'll go ahead and select that, and we'll click OK. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and insert an image in the right content box. So we'll put our cursor here, and it's faint, but if you look, you can see a little picture icon here. We'll go ahead and select that. And what we want to do is select the image called Girl with Laptop. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed this task. This task wants us to go ahead and add a soft edge rectangle. So with this picture selected, we have the Picture Tools Format tab here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this Design Ideas. And what we're looking for is soft edge rectangle. Make sure you hover if you're not sure what style you're selecting. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task.